Hello, and I hope you are doing well. Welcome to this tutorial video. Today, we did a model of the shear bending test of the composite slab. See here, this slab. We use ultra high performance as this layer. Then here, you can see this area is the cracked concrete, is the damaged concrete at the initial. And then here we have the conventional concrete. Here we did the static analysis. This is the dynamic, I think. Here, static. Let me check the ACL. See here, the ACL almost happened for the cracked zone. Here we have three layers: conventional, cracked, and ultra high performance, and you can see. Now let me remove the ultra high performance. See here, the most failure happen in the cracked zone. We can check tension damage. Also see here the tension damage in the cracked zone. Let me make it feature edge to have a better view. See, in the conventional we don't have, and also in the ultra high performance a little bit. Now let me check the force displacement for the static model. See here, it is about more than 4 meganewton for 4 millimeter. And now let me check the dynamic model. In the dynamic model, let me replace the conventional cracked concrete and ultra high performance. And see here, this is the damage, but here the tension damage. See the tension damage happen here, but totally maximum happen for the cracked zone, cracked slab here. See, the maximum happen here. And we can check stiffness degradation, plastic deformation, or anything else if you want. See here. And now see the force displacement for the dynamic. See the dynamic. The dynamic is similar to the static, but it's reach bigger value. And here after 17 millimeter full failure happen. So if you need to learn the shear bending test of a composite slab with ultra high performance, cracked concrete, and conventional concrete or uncracked concrete or fresh concrete, you can use this tutorial. Here we have also the reinforcement in the model. See the reinforcement, these are the reinforcements as the steel bar. So if you want to provide this tutorial and learn it, come to our website here, abaqusfem.com. Here, find the English tutorial. This is the English tutorial. Click on a sign or blue sign or on the title. Then you will have the geometry definition of the step interaction load and then the result as figures. You can see them here. The cost for the CAE, INP, English video file, and reference paper is 26 euros. You can use a PayPal account, Visa, or MasterCard for the payment. Before that, contact me to this email. If you want to be a master in modeling and simulation in Abaqus in all things, you can provide our full package containing 400 tutorials. It contains everything that you need to learn in the finite element method, CFD, or anything. For instance, here these are the main titles, and in each main titles we have a lot subtitles. Here, for instance, explosion, all methods for all material. High and low velocity impact for all the materials. Welding, all methods. Biomechanics, forming crack soil. CFD, FSI, thermal analysis, cyclic loading, masonry, discrete element method, pull out, anything. And the cost for this full package is 230 euros. If you want to provide that, contact me again to this email. Thank you for your attention.